We fried before, and look at that, we have our ready-made chicken. Do you think you could actually like survive in an island by yourself?
I think yes, and actually a while ago it was dream for me, be on the island.
What dream?
I mean, not a dream like crash on the plane or try to yourself to go on the island.
So you want to
for
be?
a month.
Did you apply to Naked and Afraid, that show where they like just drop you off and you're naked on an island and you have to survive?
I would think about this.
I think you should do it.
Wow,
honestly.
it's actually it's a challenge which I like.
Yeah.
A while ago, I were one of my vacation were in the forest.
Okay.
Like a week, I were without internet, without nothing, and I'm just try to kind of survive there. Of course, I took some food and some tools there, and I love this vacation. So it's like.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah. What about you?
When I was a kid, my friends and I would actually go out and do a lot of camping. And one time, because we loved stuff like this, like trying to survive in the wild, we got our friend to drop us off for 24 hours in this it was like a empty desert field almost. And we tried to survive for 24 hours.
Wow.
And you know what we did?
Did you?
We called them halfway through and we were like, hey, pick us up.
Seriously?
Yeah.
Oh my god. What's the reason? I mean, why?
We got bored.
Okay. After an hour, like,
Yeah, okay, nothing to do here. No fish to catch, no nothing.
Oh.
Wow, this is pretty cool. Nice little snare trap there. Okay, so let's rate these and see how survivable they actually are.
So you need a bunch of tape with you to get what?
So unlikely, but okay. If you have tape, then it's a nice little thing to carry water in. Probably because you get sick in wet clothes, so.
Yes.
If you if you could only take one item with you to an island,
Okay.
what would you take?
I guess I would take X.
An axe.
An X, yeah.
Okay, that's pretty good. Pretty good.
What about you?
I would take a guitar.
Guitar.
This has always been my answer, and you know why? So for the first 2 days, or first day, I'll use it for entertainment and to cheer myself up because I am on a deserted island. So I'm gonna play some stuff, I'm gonna sing some songs. Afterwards, I'm going to break it. So I'm gonna break it at the neck. I'm going to have the base be a bucket. So I can use it for carrying water, washing myself, whatever like that. Then the neck itself, I can use for a weapon, so I can attach a rock to the top of it, and then you have some leverage, like that.
Okay.
The strings you can use for snares, or you can use for other things like that as ties. So
Okay. Wow. You actually thought a lot about this.
yes, I have. This is what I would do.
I would take some. If it would be possible, I would take some books, electric bulb.
That's true,
But
yeah.
how without electric, which would be work out of
Never-ending charge.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, with the I don't know, solar panel on it.
Yeah, solar
and-
panel,
Yeah.
ebook. Yeah, nice. Save warmth. Okay.
Okay.
So we're making some holes inside this cup.
For what?
It looks maybe for a shower? No.
For your cup of tea.
We're making a cup of tea in it.
It's actually smart.
It is smart. Yes.
Yeah.
Very smart.
Okay. Wow.
Okay, we have a bag. We're pouring out our trash. We take a bottle, crunch it up, and then I do that when I throw my things away anyway.
Oh, it's just a cleaning.
Just to clean it up and make it take less space.
Okay.
Yeah,
On
there's the
tape,
glue on the
right?
tape. That's not healthy for sure.
But
But if
first-
you're in survival situations, you're willing to look past things like that for sure.
That's also true. Some. Okay.
Okay,
Right.
so for this one,
Okay.
we have a
it's-
long rod and some sticks. It's another snare. So you put the food on it and then it catches it.
Okay. Yeah. It's actually. I love this. It doesn't look complicated.
Classic
for me.
design.
Yeah.
I would say
I would rate it.
8 out of 10. 7, 8 out of 10.
Yeah. Yeah.
A
Same,
torch,
same.
pretty nice. Let's see, stripping the wood off of this wooden plank, which you need a knife for, so if you have one, it's good. I think it takes a little bit off the rating if it requires you to have a tool, right? Because a lot of the times, if you are stuck in these situations, you're not going to have a tool with you.
Yeah, but you can make them. I mean,
can
of
make
course,
tools,
it's
for sure.
take more time, to do all this stuff. But I guess we all know about all this technique with the stone when you can smash it and get us eggs or something.
True.
Yeah, of course, I wouldn't say that it's gonna be easy, but you know, yes, it's possible. The only concern for me, it's a food. It's a
Yes,
food and
yeah.
water. About like.
Because you have to make sure it's clean. Obviously, clean food, clean
Yeah.
water. You have to cook it, so you have to be able to make a fire. It's tough. It's tough, guys.
Yeah.
Do you think that you could survive on a desert island? And how long do you think you'd last before you'd have to call your friends to pick you up?
Without salt and sauce.
Yeah, exactly.
You know,
Yeah. Without some, ketchup and fries and stuff.
they actually showing this like it's nice and everything, but don't forget the point that your food not salty and everything
Yeah.
you need to eat, right, to survive.
Okay, so we have a rock we're putting in our sock
Okay, to what?
to hit people with. Not people, sorry. Monsters. Now we're digging up what we fried before, and look at that, we have our ready-made chicken.
What?
That's probably played Minecraft, I don't know. So high water consumption, that's a problem. So now we have a solution, which is this.
I'm not sure about this hack. I
Really?
would say 2 out of 10 because that film didn't connect it well there.
True,
That's
okay,
why-
but they probably
it just
connected it
came kind
afterwards,
of,
right?
you know. But you know, I did a shower when I were in the forest. I just took this big bottle,
Yeah.
and I, I flipped this.
Yeah.
I used another cup, and it was on the bend.
Sure,
You know?
sure.
And it's like covered with the bend.
Ah, okay, nice, nice.
But yeah, complicated. You need to see it.
Yeah. Okay, so we have this
Wow,
little
okay.
pot of rainwater. That's pretty nice. I think that's a pretty good hack, actually, to collect the rainwater.
Yeah.
All right. So we have this little thing. We're sticking it together with a stick,
Spoon.
and it's a spoon, a really uncomfortable spoon, probably.
Yeah, but it could work. No, actually, for some soup,
Yeah, maybe for some soup.
maybe. I would rate it as a 4 out of 10. But
This is a nice knot. That's an excellent knot. Quick release mount. Okay.
okay.
So you can easily take down your stuff.
Oh, another
Sweet.
toothbrush.
Yeah, sweet gum. Yay. All right, so we have this little tarp we're holding in the stream, and then wow, we got some fishies.
But if you're two of you on
Yeah.
the island, yeah.
You could create some way, I guess, of doing that with yourself.
So
Plastic bag.
let's get back to
Put your clothes in, or
warm up yourself.
but wouldn't you take off the clothes first? I'm not saying shit. I'm just saying like good
Yeah, nice. Okay. Oh, that's what you can eat.
little snack of tree bark. Not too tasty, but you got to do what you got to do.
Yeah. Wow.
He seems pretty chill about it though.
Yeah. Oh,
And now you have a
it's
little
like a-
toothbrush.
yeah. Which is actually that's smart. I
Yeah.
would rate it as a
I say that's a 10. yeah.
10 out of 10.
Gotta take care of
If
your
you
teeth
don't have-
in the wild. Okay, so we have this thing.
And and
Yeah.
you need to care about your teeth. If something happened with your teeth in the
you are
island,
F-U ucked.
yes. Kinda wow.
Okay, so we're putting our sock on there. Better to keep your socks, but if you have some spares, then I guess you can do this.
So wow, okay. But for how long it could be? And he just checked. it.
Yeah, just
Nothing.
like
okay.
nothing. All right.
Minus sucks.
You see a monster in there, you're like, okay, never mind. I give up. All right, he's putting the whole chicken in there. Unnecessary, in my opinion. I think
Yes,
you could
yeah.
put like a leg of the chicken, maybe.
So that's really unnecessary. You could do everything without whole chicken
Yeah,
inside,
for
right?
sure, for
Just
sure.
to take the small piece of chicken and then for fishing.
For sure, he didn't get as much meat as he would have had with just the chicken.
Yeah.
Okay, so we wrap this up, and
It's a
it's
backpack?
a backpack. Yeah,
Wow.
he's gonna put this together, wrap.
And again, you still need some stuff, with you, like a rope or something, knife. Yeah.
I give that one
yeah.
like a 6 out of 10 because it also looks really uncomfortable.
Yeah.
Pine resin, okay, and we're gonna use it to boil What are we gonna? Oh, it makes a natural glue.
Yeah.
That's it.
Wow. Okay.
So your broken weapons. This is reminding me of like Minecraft or something. Okay, so we put
Yeah.
that on, or Rust.
Did you play Minecraft?
I loved Minecraft. Yeah.
Me too.
I feel like everyone played every single.